You are welcome back to Dice Media TV. Please kindly subscribe to our channel because this channel is there to make people get money online always. As you can see, I posted this airdrop around last year on my WhatsApp platform. I couldn't do a video on it, but those on my WhatsApp platform, some people are really enjoying from that project. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, and also I'll be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the description box. Kindly join us through WhatsApp too, so that you will get a frequent update there, and I'll be adding other social media handles too, so you can join all of them. Alright, so as you can see, I'm having around 122 Fibo. This is called Fibonacci, and some also call it Fibonacci. This airdrop is going to be listed very soon. Go to this symbol on top here, then you go to roadmap. So 2022 October to December, they listed a Fibo on the Pancake Swap. So all these things have been done, and when you come to 2023 July to September, this is what they are to do. One thing that makes me do this video is that listing of major exchange begins. So very soon this coin will be on most of the exchange wallets, which is the major ones like Binance, Bybit, etc. So that is July to September, so don't miss this project. So there's their official Twitter account. You can see that they are having 20,000 followers. They joined Twitter on 2021 September. Alright, I'll be leaving the referral link in the description box. When you tap on the referral link in the description box, it will redirect you to a website or your browser like this, and what they are demanding from you is to download their app from Google Play Store. Kindly look at it. It says download Fibonacci wallet and use referral ID. When you finish downloading, they will ask you to use this referral ID, that is DICE, DUYS. Please take note of that. So you will tap on this Google Play symbol here, then you download or install it, then you go to open. When you are about to register, they will ask you to use your email. So after you type in your email, kindly enter the referral ID DICE, DUYS. If you do that perfectly, you are going to get 100 pieces of Fibo. After you've successfully downloaded and received your 100 Fibonacci, this is what you have to do. You have to mine it every 6 hours. So you can see that I'm mining now. Total lifetime mined, I've mined 22 Fibonacci. So means the 100 that they gave me, I have been able to mine 22 in addition. That makes it a total of $535 per day. So when you divide this by the total pieces, the coin is around $4 per coin. So don't joke with this project. When you want to refer someone, there's your referral link. When you tap on the referral, it will come like this, then you copy it here, then you share with others. Thank you very much for being with Dice Media TV. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and also share for other people to join this project. Please kindly put this in mind. Airdrops are 100% free. Don't pay any amount or any fee for any airdrop. Do your own research before joining any airdrop. Lastly, keep in mind that not every airdrop project will succeed.